Sai Darbar Site. In 1925, during Meher Baba's first long stay at Meherabad, the number of people coming for his darshan gradually increased. By the end of the year, while Baba was spending most of his time in and around the table house near the Dhuni, several thousand people would show up on some occasions. It became apparent that a larger gathering place was necessary. On November 29th, Baba broke ground to build a large meeting hall 66 feet wide by 96 feet long. Made of bamboo matting and corrugated steel sheets, it was completed by the new year. It was named Sai Darbar, meaning the court of Sai, in honor of Baba's master, Sai Baba of Shirdi. At the north end, a stage was constructed for performances. Just before his 32nd birthday was celebrated, Baba had Ajoba build a small wooden cabin upon the stage. From 9 a.m. until midnight on February 18th, 1926, Baba gave darshan there to an estimated 50,000 people who had come for the celebration. Never since have so many people been at Meherabad during one day. In March, Baba moved from the table house to the Sai Darbar cabin and continued his work of writing the book inside. In November 1926, Sai Darbar was demolished except the paved platform and box cabin, along with the other temporary structures of that period. In 1942, the stage platform was rebuilt and this site was again used for two important meetings during that period. The last time this site was used was September 30th, 1954, when Baba gave his final declaration here.